to the world. Yeah man, Chinaman the veteran, alongside DJ Shango. Me and him.
Yo, veteran Steve, you don't know, make sure you like, subscribe, share. You see me? Me love music, and me nah put it down. If you really hear my voice, me nah play dumb. Me no stone, so the fuck me fi stay down. Me a Shelly crowd, all on the big like a stadium. Come on, me unstoppable, so them can't stop me. When me used to sing, them laugh at me. Me say hot water, pot water, them start mock me. If me did I live for please people. Yeah, I don't know I got there now. So, veteran Stevie, Chinga man. And don't know I got there going man. A long time the world say they want to visit Chinga man. They only see good works when I put in, but that this man named Chinga man in person. So people, take him in. Just go and walk with him. Take him in. I him named Chinga man, veteran Stevie. Make sure you know like, subscribe straight to veteran Stevie, Chinga man. The whole Portland.
Who said the veteran? Who said the vet?
Chan. Yeah, alright.
Who said the veteran? Who said the vet?
Chan. Alright.
No short.
Yeah.
Long.
Yeah.
No weak.
Yeah.
Strong.
Yeah.
You never be wrong, and when you write them, say you're wrong.
Alright.
Chinaman a cause no contention.
Food bang them.
Upon the rhythm, upon the verse.
Chum cholom can. Go there, hot water, pot water, enough the pot water, enough hot water, enough the shot water. Gone. Chinga man. You see me? I just saw a drop today, you see me there? We just there going to freestyle out the whole town, we just go and walk around, you see me? I show out the whole of Portland, I don't know anything going on, DJ Shango there live. You don't know. I just saw we are dropping. We just walk through, you know what I mean? Show you how we dealing in town. Enough respect and rating to all the people there. Straight.
Yeah man, to all residents coming from DJ Shango and MC Chinaman the veteran. You hear me? All residents, big up. See him there? At the mother artists. Look out for that youth here, people. Look out for him now.
DJ Shango on YouTube. Go and check out DJ Shango. No.
No, right now. No. Yo, my brethren, say that again, me here.
No.
Right now.
No, check it out.
DJ Shango.
Alright, stop right there. So the Shane Cross there. Start recording.
Yo, Shane Cross, drop where if I drop right now.
Alright.
You know, see DJ Shango alongside Shane Cross. And then this them last.
Yeah.
I want the task.
Drop your song, Shane.
From them see with the secular instinct. A lot pint tall, me sell like a chopstick, pop bone, make para flick. As you blink you're dead. Shot a clap up and attack up in a them. Pull up in a the black Honda. Make you start chuckle in a face. Shot attack you for me war. Run as a confident tackle. Shot at a bim and a chopping in a big body chopping. Keep up the rifle hot. Steve Urkel, your mouth in a curtain. Night man shot your head, take a circle. Drop them this and for dead. The dogs them certain.
Go there.
Before girt, it a dirt you. The nice person I go earn. The killer throat burst, but I lick and it a spray.
Veteran TV, Chinga man.
There'll be no return. 16 a smoke like a chicken it a jerk. It's a what a earthquake. All when they go and jump people when
Veteran TV, Chinga man.
Man I run the road.
Veteran.
Newsread murder. Stop at a shooter. Your body will never be murder. From them see with a secular instinct. All up in town, me sell like a chopstick.
Yo, Shane. Chat and them a chat and a pick that come out.
Squeeze chiga is a clip that run out.
Bottom and Dora and blood that run out.
7 o'clock news that run out.
No hip, no support. But the head like...
Grab a head that must head, me say just like a chow.
No hip, no support. No left, no evidence. Figure on a coat. Chatty love use them out. Blood red and it have to dry like Joe. Tell them.
Gunshot it slow King Kong. The boy them now go live long. Chat and them a sing song must select up in a the M1. Gunshot it slow King Kong. The boy them now go live long. Chat and them a sing song must select up one in a the M1.
M1 put them body in a plastic. Bullet kick them up like them a do gymnastic. Veteran TV, you shoulda not this. People see the crime and say what is not this.
The Maggie, me tell you it will not stick. Put your body in a pretty casket. Where run off him out, him a chat and him a flip. One in the head make the whole body flip.
For the bang there, I don't know sir Veteran TV, big up the whole Portland, non-top go there. Just know sir, go there boss, I represent the Veteran TV. Like, subscribe, share, straight.